Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to treat ringworm infection naturally. Ringworm infection is a contagious fungal infection that breeds on the topmost layer of your skin. The infection is characterized by a red or silvery ring-like rash with a clear center. The rash is usually inflamed, itchy and scaly. Ringworm spreads outward in progression, causing a single patch or several overlapping patches to develop on your skin. Primary symptoms of ringworm infestation include ring-like scaly rash on the skin, severe itching on the rash, small bumps such as blisters. The center of the rash may be clear or can have scattered red bumps. Pus-filled sores may also develop around the ring. Here are some special home remedies to treat ringworm infection naturally. Home remedy number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar works effectively because of its antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties to cure ringworm infection. Soak a cotton ball with apple cider vinegar and dab it over the ringworm. Let it dry by itself. You can also follow it with applying some coconut oil or castor oil to soothe the burning sensation. Coconut oil and castor oil are antifungal and have healing properties. You can also take 1 tablespoon of vinegar mixed with 1 glass of water orally twice a day. Apply apple cider vinegar 2 to 3 times daily for 4 to 5 days to heal ringworm. Home remedy number 2. Garlic. Garlic contains an antifungal compound that fights against the pathogens that cause ringworm. Pour 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of honey to the garlic. Mix all the ingredients well. Apply the mix on the affected area. Cover the rash with the bandage and leave it for 1 hour. The garlic will burn on the skin but hold on. The burning should subside after 30 minutes. Remove the bandage and rinse the rash with lukewarm water. Use this remedy twice a day to cure ringworm in 1 week. Home remedy number 3. Bleach. You can also use diluted bleach to cure ringworm. Use standard bleach that contains 6% hypochlorite. Do not use bleach that contains sodium hydroxide. Do a patch test to check your skin's sensitivity toward the bleach. If you see any allergic reaction, abort the treatment and try another remedy. Pour 2 cups of distilled water in a bowl. Add 1/3 cup of bleach to the water and stir well. Soak a cotton ball with the bleach solution. Dab it over the rash. Leave the bleach on the rash for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Wash it off with a mild shampoo or an antifungal soap. Apply every day to cure the ringworm in 7 to 10 days. Home remedy number 4. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol can also be used as a health remedy to treat ringworm. Pour out some rubbing alcohol on a cotton ball. Apply the rubbing alcohol over the ringworm. Allow the alcohol to dry by keeping the area uncovered. Use it twice a day to get immediate relief from itching. Home remedy number 5. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil acts as a powerful germicide to kill the fungus causing ringworm. Pour some tea tree essential oil over a cotton ball. Apply the oil over the rash and let it dry. You don't need to wash it off. Applying tea tree oil twice every day will cure the infection in 2 weeks. Home remedy number 6. Nail paint. Clear nail paint can cure ringworm and prevent it from spreading too. The nail paint cutting off the oxygen supply to the fungus, so it will make difficult to spread infection. Use a clean brush to apply clear nail paint on the rash. Let the nail paint stay on your skin for 8 hours, then rinse with water. Pat dry and repeat the application. Always use a clean brush to apply the nail paint. Clear nail polish remedy will cure the ringworm in 1 week. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.